Hey everyone, welcome back to SisterCodes. My name is Ashley, and today I am super excited to show y'all my new Nintendo Switch. So please make sure that you subscribe and like this video. Before we go any further, we come out with new videos every week so make sure that you don't miss any of those. So I know that I'm a little bit late to this whole Nintendo Switch train, but I was looking online and I saw that Best Buy had the Animal Crossing themed Nintendo Switch, and a bunch of my friends have them and really love them. And I've kind of started getting into gaming a little bit more recently because one of my best friends games a lot. So I thought, you know what, why not? And so I'm going to show y'all first of all the unboxing and then also a little bit of how I set up my Nintendo Switch. Okay, so the first thing I'm taking out here are the two Joy-Con controllers. There's a blue one and a green one, super cute. And then next I'm taking out the Switch console. I love the pattern on the back, the Animal Crossing pattern. Next, I am taking out the two cords that come with it. So it comes with an HDMI to an HDMI, and then it also comes with a charging cable. Here I'm taking out the two Joy-Con straps that attach to each of the Joy-Cons, and then I'm taking out the Joy-Con grip. And then finally, this is the docking station. So right now I have the Nintendo Switch hooked up to the dock, which is hooked up to the TV, and then here I have the controller. Super cute colors. I really loved, this is part of why I wanted to get the Animal Crossing themed one because the colors are so cute. But yeah, I'm just going to show y'all my screen. I'm going to record some bits so that you can see what I'm doing on the screen here. The first game that I ever really played was, well, if we're talking about first game, it was probably like Super Mario Brothers back when I was a lot younger, and then Mario Kart, things like that. And but the first game that I've really gone into during quarantine is Fortnite because my best friend really likes Fortnite. And yeah, we like to play in duos, and then we'll be on voice chat. And honestly, it's just kind of nice to do things with your friends because there's not much you can do over video call anymore. It's like you can just talk, but then there isn't that much to catch up about, more so now that, quarantine is kind of lifting and restrictions are lifting for people. But it was a really nice way to just catch up with her and then also be doing something fun and like exploring a new area. I did ask my friends for recommendations of what games to play, and a lot of people recommended Zelda Breath of the Wild to me, and I like games where they have like an objective. For example, I really don't like Super Mario like Smash Brothers because it feels like there isn't anything you're achieving. So I like so far that Zelda, it's kind of quest like oriented, but then there's also exploratory time where you can just like go through and explore the forest and try and find cool things. So yeah, I really like it so far. But also shout out to Sam because she recommended Lego Marvel, and so I'm gonna definitely check that out. I just got my micro SD card yesterday, so the Switch has 32 gigs of memory, but obviously if you want to play more intensive games like Zelda or even Fortnite, they take up a lot of space. So I just got a 128 micro SD card. And so I just got that yesterday, which is why I haven't been able to download any more games. But yeah, now I'll be able to buy more and download more. So I did end up getting the Lego Marvel game, so thanks again to Sam. I'm super excited to play it. But I wanted to show y'all what the Nintendo Switch looks like with the controllers in on the sides. So as you can see, this is what it looks like with the two controllers on the sides. I also really wanted to show y'all the back because the back has this super cute design. It's the Animal Crossing design. And yeah, I mean, honestly, one of the reasons why I got this version of it is because it is so cute and so aesthetically pleasing. And then on the back here, there's a little stand so that you could stand it up and play. And right underneath it is where the micro SD card goes in. So like I said before, I got a 128 gig one, and yeah, it just slides right in there. You can see the red of the micro SD card that I bought. So yeah, really convenient and hidden away. And then I'm just going to show y'all how the controllers slide off. So there's just this little button here that you press, and then you just pull up and the controller slides right off just like that. And this is what it looks like when it's off, and then you can just slide it right back in. It makes a little clicking noise so that you know that it's snug. And this is what it looks like when it's put together and you're playing it in the handheld mode. And then this is the docking station, the super cute Animal Crossing pattern. This is where you slide in the Switch. It just rests there, and then I'm going to flip it over so that you can see the back. You just lift this little flap up, and then you can plug in the HDMI cord and then the charging cable. And then there's a little hole over on the left so that the wires can come back out, and then you can close it up really easily so it looks all neat on the back. And then yeah, this is what it looks like from the top, and then again that cute Animal Crossing pattern. I thought I would just take you through, for example, Fortnite, because I know how to play that a little bit better than Zelda. I'm still really getting used to the controls for that. Okay, so basically what it's saying is that videos cannot be captured for the software. I guess maybe on certain games you can't capture videos. I know that people have done it for Animal Crossing and things like that, so it must be possible, but maybe just for not for this game. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to flip my camera around and film the TV screen, and then I'm going to use my laptop, just like the Mac camera, and then record myself. So I'm going to do that swap right here. Okay, so we are all swapped around here, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you. This is the layout. So as you can see, I only have the 2 games right now. I have Fortnite and Zelda, and then this is my little me up in the corner. They didn't really have one with like bangs and then kind of curlier hair, so yeah, I like this one. It's pretty appropriate. Because I am using the Switch now, sometimes I forget the controls, so if, you know, something happens, that is why. Yeah, I also think this is just so cool that the 2 controllers will like slide into this piece. I think it's really smart, and it's nice that you can also detach them and use them both separately if you want to. Anyways, here we are. Yeah, so it's taking me a little bit of time to learn the difference. For example, let's do a little. That's not jump. That is build now. Oh, this one's jump. Yeah, okay. Well, there we go. So there are basically 2 different ways, or no, there's multiple different ways that you can play this, but you can play it like completely by yourself. So it's just you versus 99 other people, because there's 100 people total, and you are trying to be the last one to survive. So obviously that's pretty hard. Or you can play in duos, so 2 people, and then there's gonna be like 50 duos. And yeah, it's really fun when you play with your friends, because you can like revive each other if you accidentally die, which is very useful, or get knocked down, and yeah, it's just really nice. But for now, I'm just gonna show y'all how this works. I need to figure out these, like, the building is a little bit different. There we go. I will say the graphics are much better on here. My friend, we're here. My friend did mention it to me. She said, where should we go? Maybe here? My friend did mention it to me. She said that the graphics are a lot better when you play on PC or Switch or whatever. And yeah, it's actually not too pixely, which is what I was worried about, because you're going from a Switch obviously to a TV. This is a pretty large TV, but it's not too bad. I think it's pretty good. I never know how people like vant and game at the same time. It's a lot of work. Oh, someone's landing here. Ooh, this might be a very fast game. We'll see. Oh. Why don't they pick up automatically? Oh. Okay, crouching is the same. Smack. I also do like how with this the controller is like buzz. Quite nice. It's more of like an immersive experience, I suppose. Who is shooting who? What's going on? Is it time to go to another house, or is it time to try and get this person? Oh, I forgot to enable the mode where it's like turns on automatically, you know? Or the... Oh, there's a... Oh no! Oh no. Oh my god. Oh no. Ah! Goodness gracious. This is the problem when you're like relearning controls. I don't know what is what. Oh no. That was very fast. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed. We come out with new videos basically every week, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.